Hello, darlings. This is our multiply decimals Edpuzzle. So you need to make sure that you're an expert at multiplying decimals. Also, don't forget I can go back and do previous ones as well. So you need to make sure you know how to multiply negative decimals. If you need to, go back and review how to multiply negatives right now. So please use a blank sheet of scratch paper and something to write with. You may not use notes, websites, or anything like that. So you can't ask anybody for help. Go ahead and type the statement in quotes. Our first question is 3.2 times 5.8. Our next question is 6.79 times 4.21. Next is 7.2 times 0.003. Might feel a little bit of deja vu. 5 times 0.07. Negative 8.9 times 2.6. And our last question, negative 0.01 times negative 3. Have a great day.